Hey there, WooCommerce warriors! Today we're diving into the essential WooCommerce plugins that will take your store to the next level. Let's get started. First up, for marketing we have Omnisend. This isn't just your average marketing tool, it's a complete game changer for e-commerce businesses. Omnisend covers everything from collecting customer contacts to advanced segmentation and marketing automation. With Omnisend, you can expand your communication channels to include international SMS and push notifications. Imagine reaching out to your customers anywhere in the world with just a click. It's perfect for an omni-channel marketing strategy. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these ratings. Omnisend gets 4.6 stars on G2 and a whopping 4.7 on Capterra. Users love its ease of use and advanced features. Key features include ready-made templates for email, sign-up forms, and landing pages, a drag-and-drop email builder, advanced email segmentation, automation workflows for tasks like cart abandonment and order confirmations, A/B testing for your email campaigns and forms, snugly integrates with WooCommerce. And the best part, it's affordable with plans starting at just $16 a month. Moving on to our next plugin for site building. Ever wish you could customize your WooCommerce store with the power of Elementor? JetWooBuilder by Crocoblock is your answer. This dynamic plugin comes with 67 WooCommerce specific widgets. You can create intricate product pages, individual listings, and even custom account pages. Plus, it lets you control the display of results, pagination, and product ordering. Basically, everything you need for a dynamic user experience. Key features include comprehensive Elementor integration, widgets for add to cart buttons, product tabs, sale badges, and more. Customizable product pages with switches for a tailored experience. JetWooBuilder is best for customizing your Elementor shop and crafting engaging product pages. Pricing starts at $43 for a custom subscription, and if you're a freelancer or agency, the lifetime plans are fantastic deals. You just don't see it a lot these days. Genuine customer reviews are now essential to driving sales. Enter WooCommerce Product Reviews Pro. The perfect tool to encourage your customers to leave useful reviews and display them beautifully on your store. This plugin allows you to create customizable review forms with specific fields and rating criteria. You can prompt customers to provide details on quality, fit, value for money, and more. Key features include customizable review forms, qualifiers for specific information, filtering and sorting options for reviews, automated review reminders. WooCommerce Product Reviews Pro is best for gathering social proof and real word-of-mouth reviews. Pricing is super reasonable at $6.59 a month or $79 per year. And now on to the payment champion. Next up is Stripe, the king of payment and checkout solutions for WooCommerce. Building a solid payments page is crucial, and Stripe makes it seamless and secure. With Stripe, you can accept payments directly through your web and mobile store. Customers stay on the site while checking out, which helps with upselling and cross-selling. Key features include acceptance of all major credit and debit cards in over 135 currencies, Stripe elements for quick and accurate payment info input, built-in fraud prevention tools, and robust API for custom payment solutions. Stripe is best for boosting conversion rates and securely processing payments. Pricing is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction in the US, with custom quotes available for large volumes. Last but definitely not least, Hostinger's WooCommerce hosting is a powerhouse designed for WordPress online stores. It offers fast loading speeds, reliable security, and great pricing. With Hostinger, you get quick one-click installation, AI capabilities, fast performance, and top-notch security measures like malware scanning and DDoS protection. Key features include hosting up to 100 sites per plan, unlimited resources like bandwidth and free SSL certificates, 24/7 customer support in 10+ languages. Hostinger is best for hosting professional websites, ensuring online security, and supporting growing businesses. Their business plan is $9.99 in a month, which includes a free domain name and SSL certificate. There you have it, our top WooCommerce plugins to level up your store. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing with Omnisend, customize your store with JetWooBuilder, streamline payments with Stripe, or secure your site with Hostinger, these plugins got you covered. Thanks for watching, now go get paid.